Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have our Samsung Galaxy expert to fix this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and let's get started. So we have a damaged display on this S21 Ultra, and David will fix it for us. And he'll get started by removing the back cover, which is, I think, has been opened before. This is not stock adhesive for the back cover. It's good news for us because we don't have to spend a lot of time removing the back cover. And we'll remove the screws for the main board. There's a bunch of them, so we're gonna fast forward through the process. We'll peel off the wall charging module, detach the display connector and the battery, reconnect the battery connector, and then test our replacement display. So on this specific model, we can test if the screen is working or not. Some models of the Samsung Galaxy family you can't really test, because we tend to replace the housing and display. This time it's just going to be the display only, and the smartphone is in 98% battery. So it's booting up, it's showing us something. It's bypassing the installed display. We're using now the replacement display that we will install later on. We'll wait for a bit, see if the smartphone boots up successfully. It took a while, but it got there. Now it's dimming. I think it's gonna be okay. Touchscreen is working, display, no damages. So we'll have to shut this phone down and continue with our disassembly. And I believe it can't be shut down. You need your pin to shut this phone down, but we'll have to do a hard reset by detaching the display and then detaching the battery connection. So it will cut power to the main board and shut the phone down. We'll remove the main board, then the screws for the daughter board as well, so we can remove this wireless charging module. We'll also fast forward to this one. There's a bunch of screws. There you go. We'll detach the front camera so we can free the main board. Go. Next is the removal of the daughter board at the bottom. So as far as I can remember, this S21 Ultra is quite easy to repair, but for now it looks more complicated than more modern Galaxy devices. A lot of parts are coming off. So this is our replacement display and housing. So after all, we're also gonna be replacing the housing, but we have tested the display beforehand. Other smart Galaxy models, you can't do that. You just have to complete the installation of the new display before you can see if it's working or not. So we're positive that this is working, so it's good to proceed. We installed the main board. We'll detach the cover for the battery compartment, so to reveal the adhesive strips, and we'll detach the battery from the old display and housing. This one is quite sticky, so it's gonna take a lot of persuasion. So we'll do some of it off camera. Make some gaps and then spray some alcohol to soften the adhesive, and then you can reuse the adhesive strips once the alcohol has evaporated. We have detached the front camera. So now we'll transfer the battery to the new housing and display. We'll attach the display connector, the battery, antenna cables, other miscellaneous components. So we have rubber grommets for the front camera. Then the front camera will go in. So if you want to DIY your S21 Ultra screen replacement, it's quite complicated. From a non-professional point of view, it's quite complicated, but David here is making it look easy. And also we edited the video. We omitted some parts that we deemed really tedious. Cleaning of the adhesive from the back cover and whatnot. So if you don't want to spend the time to learn how to fix your smartphone and have it fixed by someone else, is a good option, good alternative. So don't hesitate to fix your S21 Ultra. Basically in 2026, it's still a very capable smartphone if you're not a power user, and it can still run modern apps. It's got specs that are quite advanced for its time, so it can deal with most tasks that you can throw at it. And the hardware, the display, Samsung is way ahead of its time. So in 2026, it's still a good looking smartphone. No need for you to buy a brand new S series, A series. Have it fixed, have the display replaced, the battery replaced, and it's gonna be a brand new smartphone. It will feel like a brand new smartphone. And here is a testament. It looks brand new right away, at the back and up front. Look at that. See? Save your money. Have it fixed and use it for a year, 2 or 3 years. So thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.